Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to track project progress using ClickUp dashboards. This is your complete 2025 guide, so let's get started. First off, log into your ClickUp account and navigate to the dashboard area. The reason we start here is because dashboards are your central hub for all project data. Now, click on the Create Dashboard button and give it a name. This helps us because it personalizes our workspace and allows us to track specific project metrics. Next up, add widgets to your dashboard. You can do this by clicking on the Add Widget button. Now you'll see a variety of widget options like task lists, pie charts, bar graphs, and more. Pick the ones that suit your project tracking needs. This is important because widgets provide visual representations of your project data, making it easier to comprehend and monitor progress. Now that we've done that, let's customize our widgets. You can do this by clicking on the Options button on each widget. Set up filters, choose data sources, or even change the color of your widgets. This helps us because it tailors the dashboard to our specific project needs, offering a more precise overview. Lastly, remember to frequently update your dashboard and review it regularly. You can easily do this by clicking on the Refresh button on your dashboard. This is crucial as it ensures that your project tracking is up to date and accurate. And there you have it, a simple, efficient way to track project progress using ClickUp dashboards. Remember, a well-maintained dashboard can make project management a breeze. So, keep exploring, keep customizing, and most importantly, keep tracking. That's all for today. Stay tuned for more tips and guides. Until then, happy tracking.